Hey guys, Jared here, and I am the Life Coach Agent. I just want to take 2 minutes to share with you just some very simple tools and tips and techniques in order to calm yourself in the most stressful situations. You know, we're coming into Christmas. Many times we think this is the most joyous time of the year, but we find as we run around everywhere, we're trying to find parking spots, we're shopping, we're trying to fit everything into the season, and we're actually getting more stressed. You know, for some of you, it might be the holidays, it might be a big exam you have coming, maybe a big project at work. Even this week, I was dealing with a homeowner that is having to go through a divorce and selling her home as part of the divorce decree. And in that, she's very stressed and she's tired and overwhelmed. And what's happening that's causing her to be in the limbic brain, which is that fight, flight, or freeze. And so when you're going through this, there is 3 simple things you can do to calm yourself quickly. And let me explain it this way. When you calm yourself, it's not at a conscious level. It's not like, okay, just calm down. Because talking yourself down from the ledge is not going to help. You actually have to begin to go deeper into the surface, into that subconscious mind and into that nervous system. And what people don't realize is that when you go into what's called the sympathetic nervous system, that's what causes hypervigilance. That's what causes stress and the fight, flight, or freeze in your body. But when you do simple tools and techniques, you can actually put yourself in what's called the parasympathetic nervous system, and that is where you begin to calm yourself quickly. And what it's doing is telling your nervous system, I'm safe, I'm okay, I don't have to be hypervigilant. So let me show you real quickly 3 simple ways to calm yourself in the most stressful situation. First is what I call just the arm stroke technique. You just, as you're feeling stressed, whether in traffic or at home, wherever you're at, just literally begin to stroke your arms like this. And what that begins to do is to calm your parasympathetic nervous system, and it begins to go from the right brain to left brain to let you know that you're okay. Simple. Try it at home. Secondly is the hand on the heart technique. Just put your hand on the heart and do what's called mindfulness and just simply breathe with intention. And that's where you breathe, I call it a 4-7-7. You breathe in for 4 seconds, hold it for 7 seconds, and then release it slowly over 7 seconds, and then repeat it. And when you do the breathing in conjunction with the hand on the heart, again, that calms your central nervous system and tells you that you're okay. And last, in your lips, there are parasympathetic fibers. And so if you are in any situation, you're in a meeting or you're in court, wherever you're at and you're dealing with stress, if you simply just rub your lips slowly, what that begins to tell your parasympathetic nervous system is that you're okay. You don't need to run. You don't need to shut down. And that begins to calm you. It's a very simple technique. And let me remind you this. These take practice. So don't expect to do it one time and say, oh, well, it doesn't work for me. The more you apply it and work it, it will work. I really encourage you to do that. I've been doing this for quite a while now, and I can attest to the fact it does work. So again, the arm stroking, the hand on the heart breathing, and just simply rubbing your lips. Do those 3 things, and I will tell you, you'll begin to calm yourself in the most stressful situations. I wish you the best, and I look forward to hearing from you to see from your own personal experience how this helps. And until then, take care. And if you have any real estate needs, whether you're looking to buy or sell a home, or you're going through a divorcing situation, just remember that I am an RCS-D, which is a real estate collaboration specialist for divorce, and I help divorcing homeowners go through a difficult process by making informed decisions as it relates to the real property and really connecting them with our team in order to help bring them through a very hurtful and a difficult time. So I'm here for you with the tips, tricks, and tools, but as well with all of your real estate needs. You can reach out to me at 407-493-8872. Until then, I hope you take care, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.